Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Morning, Your Honor.
Okay, you were here with Antoinette Foster.
Correct.
She did not appear. Okay, bench warrant can enter for Foster.
Current balance 31.11 and 49 cents. How would you like me to set bond, Your Honor?
10%.
We will prepare that and submit.
Okay, thank you. That one. And then Brian West.
He zoomed in this morning. I did get a call last night from attorney Nick Balberman indicating he would be getting involved. He asked me for an adjournment for today's exam. I said I had no issue with that I would let the court know that I spoke with new counsel and we would ask for an adjournment of today's creditor examination.
Okay, so
The court will just issue a new NTA on that.
yeah, I'll give you the date now.
Perfect. I'll let Nick know.
April 18th at 2 p.m.
Perfect. We'll look for that. I'll get a hold of Nick, just to let him know, give him a heads up.
Thank you. You said what? Fairly failed to appear.
Today was a creditor exam, personal service on the subpoena. We'd like to just simply file a motion to show cause, Your Honor. Can we do that with 9-day mailing?
Yes.
All right, we'll prepare and submit that as well. I think that's it. Thanks for your help.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You as well.
Okay. It's you. Alexander Popov versus, here on the matter of Jefferson Capital versus Ava Tucker.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Tucker is present. Did they speak already?
No.
I think that what file, we're gonna just put that note in because this is fairly file right here. That one. This is Tucker. That's fairly. Numbers, okay. Let's see, Jefferson Capital System versus Ava Tucker, file number 17-00188 GCE. Ms. Tucker is present in court. And can I have your appearance for the record, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexander Popov appearing on behalf of plaintiff.
Thank you. And Ms. Tucker, how are you? Okay, today was the date and the time set for a motion. I have here a motion for satisfaction of judgment that you filed, ma'am. You said you would like a satisfaction of judgment for Jefferson Capital Systems LLC, and that you would like to sue them for the inconvenience of your money and time for the amount of $1,138.85, or the most that you can get. Okay, and so why do you believe you're on a satisfaction of judgment?
I don't owe them anything. I have my credit reports and everything. I talked to the people at Web Bank, Fingerhut, Jefferson Capital bought my account from them after I paid it off. And now they keep saying that I owe that amount of money. And when I did talk to the lady at Fingerhut, I have my credit report right here if you want to look, and it says satisfactory and that I don't owe anything because the account was open in 2010. And then they told me that I wasn't using the account enough. So I told her to send the balance to me and I'll pay it off. And that was like in 2014, 2011. So these people keep taking my income tax every year. And this is like the third time that I've been in front of you to get my income tax back from these people.
Mr. Popper, did you want to respond?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm not sure in regards to her credit statements that she's mentioning, if it's another account. I haven't seen any of these documents. I know the judgment was entered in 2017. We actually haven't received any money. We filed a response to her motion, kind of explaining what happened recently. There was an objection to a garnishment, which was granted. We missed the date, quite frankly. And there was another date for an objection, and that was released as well, but we haven't received any funds.
Okay, yeah, the last order of objections that I see here, I signed on December 19th, saying the objections were valid and that I was releasing the funds to you. So what are you, I'm not, you're just suing, you want a satisfaction of judgment is what you're suing.
Yes, I talked to the people at the third party. They told me to, excuse me, update my information and send it to them, and they would release my income tax back to me.
Okay, so you're saying that they've garnished your income tax again this year?
Yes, they did.
I don't have any.
We filed a income tax garnishment on December 7th, 2022, and that was released. And that was, I think that was for the last hearing, Your Honor, that garnishment was released.
Yeah, I see my order releasing that. Did you seek another garnishment since then?
Let me just double check.
I don't have it in the file, if that's the case.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, they didn't seek it. I don't know why Fingerhut is holding your. Well, who's holding your money?
The third party.
Third party. The garnishment that they filed in December, I released that.
Okay, she told me to update my information files.
I can tell you the date.
Judgment.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. The last refund that we did was for $205. But since then we haven't received any funds, and the judgment hasn't been satisfied.
You said the judgment had, I think the issue is that she provided to the court some indications that it showed that it was paid satisfactory and that they closed her account. And so that was why the judgment for the garnishment was invalid, I should say. I don't see. Where to this point, there's ever been a response or appearance. It looks like we had a hearing in April. The plaintiff failed to appear. She provided that information indicating the account was paid and closed satisfactorily. And then December 19th, she had another garnishment. No one appeared for the plaintiff again. So what I'll do at this point is, because I don't know, if you have provided them this paperwork that you have.
Did I provide it?
Yeah, that shows that you provided paperwork to the court previously indicating that the judgment or the balance was paid satisfactory.
Oh, no, I didn't send them any information.
Well, you should probably show it to them. They're the people who are garnishing you.
Showing that I don't owe them anything.
I'm gonna go off the record. You guys can go to a private meeting room and talk about it. This is the first time they've appeared. You can't file, as to your request to sue them, you're gonna have to file a lawsuit if you want to sue them. You can't do that in a motion, okay?
Okay,
But we can address whether or not you are owed a satisfaction of judgment. We can address that today. Let me get you in a private meeting room to speak to Mr. Popoff. If she has some documents, we can scan and email them to him. Thank you. Okay, Ms. Till.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your volume is really low. Oh, that's better.
I'm sorry,
Okay,
I
you're
must
here-
have just been talking quietly. I apologize.
No problem. You're here with Ashley McKinstry.
I am, Your Honor.
Have we seen Mr. Cyber?
I have not seen Mr. Cyber. Oh, I'm sorry. Were you asking me?
Yes.
I have not yet seen Mr. Cyber, no.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of Edgewood Villas versus Ashley McKinstry, file number 22-03870 LT. Council appearance.
Felicity Till, P83961, appearing on behalf of the defendant Ashley McKinstry, who is with me via Zoom.
Thank you. Today was the date and time that was set for a hearing on non-payment of rent. This matter was scheduled for 8:30 this morning. It's currently 9:14. And counsel for the plaintiff has failed to appear. How do you want to proceed, Ms. Till?
Your Honor, I would request a dismissal in this matter because plaintiff has failed to appear and has failed to state a claim upon which, or has failed to prove their case. So we would request a dismissal of this matter.
Your motion to dismiss is granted.
All righty. Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. McKinstry, I will call you as soon as I'm done with my hearings this morning, okay?
That's all you have for us, Ms. Till?
I believe I have Mr. Copeland at 9:30, Your Honor.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, and then what's your name?
Kimberly Dudley.
Okay.
Am I okay to leave?
You're free to go, Ms. McKinstry. Thank you.
Madam.
On the record in the matter of Kurt Titsey versus George Runciman, file number 23-00109 GC. Council appearance.
Kimberly Dudley for the plaintiff, Your Honor.
Mr. Runciman here? Okay, so that's a trend at this point. Today was date and time set for a pre-trial. Matter was set for 8:30. It's 9:16. How do you want to proceed?
I'd like to ask that a default judgment be entered, Your Honor.
Default judgment is granted.
Set a date for hearing on the damages. Or just enter the damages. Your
Just prepare the judgment. We can actually get your form today while you're here.
Honor. Great, thank you, Your Honor.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Okay. Oh, you must have been trying to get her on Zoom. Is that what's going on? Okay, Mr. Popoff, I have Ms. Tucker back in the courtroom. How do you want to proceed at this time, sir?
Your Honor, Ms. Tucker stated that she has quite a bit of documents, and she's gonna send that over to us today. She also said she contacted Fingerhut. So I would also like to contact Fingerhut as well. I would just request probably a 2-week adjournment if that's okay.
Okay.
Would you like to see the proof or should I just send it to them?
We can just send it to them. It looks like you showed it to us back on April 18th
Okay,
of 2022.
okay.
At 2. May 2nd at 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I just want to put on the record, I gave Ms. Tucker our fax information. Ms. Tucker, our phone number is on any pleadings. The motion should be on there as well if you need to contact us via phone. So we'll be in touch.
Do you have any questions today, ma'am?
No.
Okay, any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. We'll get you a copy of your notice to appear.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You're good to go. Thank you. You too, ma'am. Okay, we're on the record in the matter of Myhan Adams versus Calvin Copeland. File number is 22-03480 LT. Council appearance.
Felicity Till, PA 3961, appearing on behalf of the defendant Kevlon Copeland.
Today was the date and the time set for hearing for eviction for non-payment of rent. Plaintiff represented by Mr. Cyber. Matter was scheduled for 9:30. It's 9:40. Mr. Cyber has not appeared. How do you want to proceed?
Your Honor, I would also request a dismissal in this file for plaintiff's failure to state a claim due to their failure to appear today.
Your motion to dismiss is granted. You're all set.